to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a few of my slimes. First slime I'm going to be showing you is regular slime with some blue glitter. I like regular slime more than fluffy slime because fluffy slime is really hard to pull and then it just rips apart, so it's not really good. But I like this one because it has blue, and blue is like the second favorite color I like. Yeah, you're gonna hear a little forge look. It's hard to put it on because slime. I know. And then here's another slime I'm gonna be showing you. It's purple slime with some blue glitter, and it's fluffy slime and with some beads. I put too much beads, and now all of the beads are falling out, so it's hard. That was a little bubble. Another slime is just fluffy slime with some blue glitter. I like blue glitter because it kind of matches with everything I wear. Here's another slime that I like. It's some slime with glue stick inside. And it's fluffy slime. And it has some blue glitter. So, that one in there. It's hard. These are hard to close for me. Another slime that I had is some just regular slime. No, this is fluffy slime. I just felt it. It's fluffy slime. Just regular fluffy slime, basically. See how it just rips apart when you just rips apart easily like that. See? So, funny. I like it when it works. You have to keep on poking it, and then eventually it rips apart. Last but not final slime I'm going to be showing you is another regular slime with some blue glitter and some beads, guys, and some beads. So, guys, I hope you like this video, and these are some of my slimes. I like the regular slimes because they're better for me. Some people might not like them. Some people might like. Comment down below, guys, what kind of slime you like. What kind of slime you like. What color would you like it to be. And what kind of glitter would you like it to be. Or if it's optional. So, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Comment below. What's your favorite slime? What's your favorite colored slime? And what kind of slime would you like? And please subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I make a video. And make sure to subscribe to my cousin's channel, Carmen Johnson's, which will be in the description down below. And make sure to subscribe to my other cousin, Ernie Gutierrez. So, let's go, guys. Bye.